Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So yeah, Solana is still holding critical support here. You will remember from my last video that I mentioned that I still expect higher prices for Solana as long as we're holding here this support, which is at $20.55. That's still relevant. I think we are here in the last steps of this move to the upside. It is looking very impulsive, this move to the upside. And it could very well be that we haven't reached the absolute top yet. Yeah. So I explained to you in the previous video that we have had here, and there are different interpretations possible, but in my, let's say, main scenario or primary scenario, I'm looking at it that way, that we completed a wave 1 down here that was in December, came down in a 2, this was a 3, here a 4, and now we have an overextended 5th wave. Now this 5th wave could be finished, it could be, therefore I've got this support area. So if we drop below this support area, I will have to assume that we have already finished this 5th wave to the upside, possibly here at this swing high on the 14th of January, then we would have it already. The wave 1 would be in. By the way, I need to change the wave degree for this one. Yeah, then the wave 1, the first wave of the first impulse would be in, and we would then come down in wave 2 next. And if we break support, I will be able to give you an entry area for a possible trade of a wave 3, if it works out. Strategically, I would take personally partial profits at least. Maybe set the stop loss below the support area. That's sort of what can be done from a strategic point of view, because this can still push higher. In fact, that would be my primary expectation in the very short term. Very short term trend suggests still further upside. That is also what I would expect for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And therefore, I would not take complete profits, but partial profits. At least everybody should think about that. I'm not telling you to do it. That's no financial advice, as you know, but I'm giving you some ideas, because I think this move up is getting close to exhaustion. Now, if we want to talk about it getting to its extremes, I would say it can certainly reach the 1-to-1 ratio of this third wave still, which is at $30.60. Yeah, but therefore starting to take some profits if someone entered here, here, or here. In all entry areas, you should be in profit. So, you know, risk management is just very important. You know, nobody got poorer from taking profits, and we will certainly see a wave 2 retracement. The question is just, when does it start? So I think we should get one more high, either to 27.51, that would be ideal, or maybe all the way up to, but that would be more the extreme case, round about $30.66. Okay, so that's clear. In the very short term, what could be the scenario? I already explained to you in the previous video that we could have seen here an Elliott wave triangle, and I think that is still valid. However, I have to move the waves, because this was then probably something like a so-called barrier triangle, an ascending triangle where the wave D didn't sit here but here. And that's why it's so important. I obviously did have it here yesterday. I said this is an initial idea, of course, but therefore it's so important to wait for the breakout of the B wave always. Breaking the D wave is a first indication that the trend is breaking to the upside, or that the triangle is breaking. But it's really only the break above the B wave, which was here at $25 basically, that confirms it. So that never happened. So we look at this, and then possibly the E wave down here, and it could now rush to the upside. Yeah, that's the view. Yeah, if we make a lower low now, but hold the green support area, we just have a normal ABC. It's getting quite complex here, so it's getting a bit difficult to read it. But that's sort of the idea I have about Solana. I would still look at higher. This could now mark the end of the triangle, but it could also be already again in the wave 2, and then we created here already some kind of an A, B, and would now come down in the C wave. But as soon as I see that more clearly, I will let you know. Until then, I would expect still the 5th wave here to the upside. It's nothing I would trade aggressively anymore. Yeah, we are really getting exhausted here. But still, as long as we hold support, the trend is still up. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.